Reports of blood clots among people who got the AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson vaccine nearly derailed the vaccination drive. Many countries stopped using these two vaccines. Some of them still don't, but experts kept recommending these jabs, even though they had no idea what was causing these blood clots. In Germany now, a group of scientists say they may have cracked the code. And turns out they even have a solution for it. Here's a report.
It's the side effect that almost killed a vaccine, a condition that became ammunition for anti-vaxxers, the blood clot. Is it really a side effect, a statistical event, or just mass hysteria? A group of German scientists may have the answer. There's a lot of medical jargon here, so try to keep up. The clot risks were linked to two vaccines, AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson. Both of them are adenovirus-based vaccines. Here's a quick explainer. Adenoviruses are the harmless kind, like the ones that give you a cold or a fever. Nothing life-threatening. Scientists can actually hack these adenoviruses, disable their ability to cause illness, and retain their capacity to enter cells. This makes them the perfect vector. Think of adenoviruses as an envelope. Inside this envelope is a message. It teaches our cells how to grow the spike proteins of the Wuhan virus. Not the virus itself, just the spike proteins. Once our body sees this foreign object, it gets to work. It's pretty impressive technology, but the current lot of vaccines have one problem. The adenoviruses are entering the cell's nucleus. Think of it as the heart and brain of your cells. Weak or not, the viruses entering the cell's nucleus is bad news. Once this happens, the spike protein breaks up, and part of it float around in your body. In some rare cases, these broken parts can lead to blood clots. What about mRNA vaccines? They deliver the vector to the cellular fluid, so the question of entering the nucleus doesn't arise. This study is yet to be peer-reviewed. But if this is indeed causing the blood clots, what is the solution? Scientists in Germany make it sound ridiculously easy. Just tell the spike protein not to split apart. How? By changing the genetic message inside the adenovirus envelope. Johnson & Johnson has already reached out to the scientists. The company said, "We are supporting continued research and analysis of this rare event as we work with medical experts and global health authorities. We look forward to reviewing and sharing data as it becomes available." Blood clot fears have disrupted vaccination, especially in Europe. The UK has reported 309 cases in 33 million people. The European Union has reported 142 cases in 16 million recipients. Both the WHO and the European Medicines Agency back the vaccines, but hesitancy remains. Denmark, Austria and Norway have stopped using AstraZeneca's jabs. This theory from Germany is one among dozens. Like every scientific study, this one too sounds solid. But until the peer review is complete, we can't draw conclusions. Except maybe this one. The vaccines still work. The cure is better than the disease. Bureau Report, WION. World is one.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.